This foldable 1080p HD camera drone is designed for beginners, kids, and families. It's easy to fly, fun to use, and packed with features. Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today my family is trying out this awesome drone and we want to share the features with you guys. So this comes with an adjustable angle 1080p camera so you can capture sharp photos and videos from the sky. Its beginner-friendly controls make flying simple with one key takeoff and landing plus altitude hold for stable hovering. The gesture control makes hands-free selfies fun and easy. All you have to do is flash a peace sign or your palm, and the drone will capture a photo or video in just 2 seconds. With dual control, you can fly using the remote or your smartphone, and you can try fun tricks like gravity control and 360 flips for exciting flights. Plus, each battery gives you up to 16 minutes of flight time, and with multiple batteries included, the fun lasts even longer. It's perfect for family adventures, travel, or just backyard fun. So, this is easy to use, a blast to fly, and it's loaded with features. This drone makes the perfect gift for kids, beginners, and families.